Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter pie. First, you'll need a 9-inch graham cracker crust. You can easily make one by combining 1 1/4 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 1/4 cup of melted butter. Press this mixture firmly into your pie plate. This simple step creates the perfect base for our creamy filling. Make sure to chill the crust for at least 15 minutes to help it set properly. Next, let's prepare the luscious peanut butter filling. In a large bowl, beat 8 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Then, add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter and 1 cup of powdered sugar, mixing until smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that extra touch of warmth. Finally, gently fold in 8 ounces of whipped topping until everything is perfectly combined and airy. Now it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Carefully pour the creamy peanut butter filling into your chilled graham cracker crust. Use a spatula to spread the filling evenly, ensuring it reaches all edges. Once filled, cover the pie loosely with plastic wrap or foil. This crucial step prevents any unwanted odors from affecting its flavor. Refrigerate the pie for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set perfectly. To complete your delicious peanut butter pie, add some delightful finishing touches. Just before serving, you can garnish it with extra whipped topping. For added texture and visual appeal, sprinkle some chocolate shavings or chopped peanuts over the top. When ready to serve, use a sharp knife to cut neat slices. This ensures a beautiful presentation every time. Enjoy your perfectly chilled and incredibly satisfying homemade peanut butter pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.